Thank you very much. That's right. Your Cuba Libre. Good morning mga kabuso, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So mga kabuso, uh, I'm Edwin, I'm your bartender. So for today, I will make Cuba Libre, and then I will show you how to make Cuba Libre. So this is all you need for Cuba Libre. So you need the highball glass, shot glass, and of course Bacardi. I will use this Bacardi for Cuba Libre, and Coca-Cola, and lime. So, mga kabuso, let's start. So first, put ice. Always full of ice. And then, this lime, you can cut for 4 pieces. Make it wedges. Oops. And squeeze the lime and drop it inside. And second one, squeeze again and drop it. And then third one, you make put like this. Make it like this in your glass on the rim, and then squeeze again, and then again drop it. So 3 pieces of lime, and then 2 shots of Bacardi. Means 2 shots is 60 ml or 6 cl. 60 ml, 6 cl, all same. 1, and 2, 60 ml of Bacardi white rum. And then finally, your soft drinks, Coca-Cola. If you didn't have Coca-Cola, it's Pepsi, it's okay, no problem. Just fill up. Fill up until the and then don't forget your garnish. Your garnish and your straw. So now your Cuba Libre is ready. That's it, your Cuba Libre. So mga kabuso, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share to all your friends. And thank you very much. That's right. Your Cuba Libre.